Weight loss is often associated with a well-balanced and nutrient-rich diet. Incorporating certain vegetables into your meals can play a crucial role in supporting weight loss efforts. These vegetables are low in calories, high in fiber, and rich in essential nutrients, making them excellent choices for those looking to shed excess pounds. Paragraph 2. Leafy greens. Spinach and kale. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are low in calories and high in fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness without contributing many calories. Additionally, they are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting overall health while aiding in weight loss. Paragraph 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli and Brussels sprouts are excellent choices for weight loss due to their high fiber content and low calorie density. They also contain compounds that may help support the body's natural detoxification processes. Paragraph 4. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, especially colorful ones like red, yellow, and orange, are low in calories and high in fiber. They also provide a satisfying crunch, making them a great addition to salads, stir-fries, and snacks. The high vitamin C content in bell peppers may also support fat metabolism. Paragraph 5. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are hydrating and incredibly low in calories, making them an ideal choice for those focusing on weight loss. Their high water content contributes to a feeling of fullness, and they can be enjoyed as a refreshing snack or added to salads for extra crunch without the extra calories. Paragraph 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are not only flavorful but also low in calories and high in water content. They are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The compound lycopene found in tomatoes may have potential benefits for weight management. Paragraph 7. Zucchini. Zucchini is a versatile and low-calorie vegetable that can be used in various dishes as a substitute for higher-calorie ingredients. It adds bulk to meals without significantly increasing calorie intake, making it a valuable addition to a weight loss-focused diet. Paragraph 8. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a low-carbohydrate alternative that can be used in various ways, such as cauliflower rice or cauliflower pizza crust. Its versatility makes it an excellent choice for reducing overall calorie and carbohydrate intake, while still enjoying satisfying and flavorful meals. Paragraph 9. Carrots. Carrots are a sweet and crunchy vegetable that can satisfy cravings for snacks while providing essential nutrients. Their high fiber content contributes to a feeling of fullness, and they are a convenient and healthy option for on-the-go snacking. Paragraph 10. Asparagus. Asparagus is low in calories and rich in fiber, making it a great addition to a weight loss diet. It also contains various vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. Incorporating these vegetables into a well-rounded, calorie-controlled diet